Jai Hind everyone, welcome to my channel Brainy Teach. Once again I am here with my new video which is based on Geography Chapter 4 Maths. Before I start the video, I just request you all to watch it till end, like, share and subscribe it. You can also press the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you receive it first. Let us start the explanation. In the previous chapter, we have already learned about the advantages of the globe. Globe is a model of Earth on which we can locate the continents and the oceans. But globe has limitations. If we want to study the Earth as a whole, then globe is useful. But if we want to study only a part of the Earth, for example, a country or a state or a village, it is of little help. In such a situation, we need a map. A map is a representation of Earth's surface on a flat surface according to a scale. Maps are also more useful than a globe because it provides more information than a globe. The collection of maps in a form of book is known as atlas. In atlas, we collect different types of maps. It has the maps of different scales, sizes and measurements. There are three types of map: physical map, political map and thematic map. So let us discuss all these maps one by one. Physical map. Physical maps are the maps which shows natural features of Earth like mountains, plateau, plain, rivers and oceans. Political map. These maps show cities, towns, villages and different countries of the world and their states with their boundaries. The third one is thematic map. Some map which focus on some specific informations such as the road map, rainfalls, the map showing distribution of forest, population, vegetation, climate, transportation, etc. They are called thematic map. A suitable title is given on the basis of the information that is provided by these maps. There are three components of map. For making a map, we need three important components: type, distance, direction and symbols. Now distance. Distance is measured in the term of scale. Scale is a ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on a map. According to the scale, we categorize the maps into two categories. The first one is small scale map and the second one is large scale map. When the large areas like the continents, the countries, if we want to represent them on a paper, then we use a small scale map. And when a small area like the city, the state, the village, if we want to show them on a map, on a paper, then we use a large scale map. Now the next component for the map is direction. There are four major directions: north, south, east and west. These directions are also known as cardinal points. there are 4 more intermediate directions which are between the 2 directions, that is northeast, southeast, northwest and southwest. And there is an instrument which is used to find out the main directions, that is all the 4 directions, north, south, east and west. A compass has a magnetic needle which always points towards the north and south direction. Now, the third and the fourth more important component of a map is symbol. Symbols are certain letters, shapes, colors, pictures and lines which are used on map to give lots of information in a limited space. There are some symbols which are universally accepted, and these symbols which are universally accepted and used in a map are known as conventional symbols. For example, we use blue color for showing water bodies, brown for mountains, yellow for plateau and green is used for plains. These colors are used universally. Another component of map is called a sketch. Sketch is an outline map which is drawn from observation rather than from exact survey measurement and showing only the main features of area. Sketch, it is exactly a type of drawing which is mainly based on memory and the spot observation. It is not based on a scale. For example, if you want to go to your friend's house and you don't know the way, then you can ask your friend to draw a sketch and give it to you for the way of his house. The rough drawing which he will draw without the scale is called as a sketch map. So you can see the sketch map here in the screen also. In this sketch, you can see all the conventional symbols. Now let us have a discussion about a plan. A plan is a drawing of a small area on a large scale with details. The architects usually use a plan to design a house or a building. The drawing, it is drawn or to the scale, and that is why it is known as plan. On the screen you can see there is an example of a plan of a house. Now what is the difference between a scale and a plan? Because both of them are a drawing. Now the first difference between a sketch and a plan is that sketch is drawn without a scale, whereas a plan is drawn to a scale. Now the second difference is that the sketch is totally based on observation, the spot observations, whereas plan is based on actual data. The third difference between a sketch and a plan is that plan is an actual drawing of a small area, whereas the sketch, it is a rough drawing of a large area. That's all in today's video. I hope that you all have understood the chapter. Thank you for watching the video.